Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. In a medium-sized bowl, combine flour and salt. Make a well in the flour, add the slightly beaten egg, and mix. Mixture should form a stiff dough. On a lightly floured surface, knead dough for about 3 to 4 minutes. With a pasta machine or by hand roll dough out to desired thinness.
Let's help you make your mark.
Making pasta by hand. You use a rolling pin to mimic the action of a pasta maker. Roll out a small piece of dough until it's paper thin, then use a knife to cut it into individual noodles. It takes a little more muscle and patience, but you can absolutely get the pasta as thin as you would using a machine.
Let's help you make your mark.
When eaten in moderation, pasta can be part of a healthy diet. Whole grain pasta may be a better choice for many, as it is lower in calories and carbs but higher in fiber and nutrients. However, in addition to the type of pasta you pick, what you top it with is just as important.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.